All right, guys. So this is just a sample of what our trading, our live team training will be about. You know, volatility. Sometimes these pairs they go crazy, so you have to learn how to also manipulate the manipulator. So for this, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pairs. We're currently looking at taking trade, or rather already taking trade. We have 25. Now this 25, this is a live trade session. This 25, I'm looking at it coming down. So just right now, the way it is, I'm just going to take it. I'm going to take a sell on it. I'm going to take a sell on this particular pair. Okay, I'll take a sell on this pair. And then. So I'm doing manual stuff right now. I'm just gonna watch how it goes. Then this one, I think we're gonna have a buy. But if not, I'm preparing to sell as well. So any which way they want to go crazy, we're gonna go with them. Then we'll have a sell on V50. V50, we're looking at it creating a lower low. So I'm going to be targeting here for stop. Now, when the market gives you, when they are ready to give you, make sure you take, because when they're ready to take, they do not show any mercy. So take enough so that when it's not working, you can just relax, and then wait for another good opportunity. But here today, we're going to crush these folks. All right, so let's go to the 5 minutes. Great, so going well. After a while, of course, risk management, you have to put in your I'm going to put in, let me just do that now live. I'm going to put in stop profit. Stop profit. This is no more stop loss, because if it goes back, it's going to hit me out in profit. All right, so we have it there. Then let's look at 25. Let's protect the 25. Sorry, the 75 trade. Down. Crazy folks. All right. So we're going to protect our 75. Of course, these things, they retrace a lot. They retrace me sometimes very deep, but I'm still going to just move the stop loss to the entry. I asked some folks to join this call to make money along, but I can see some of them, a lot of them right now, not here. Anyway, so those of us that are here, let's take advantage. Let's make some money. All right, so we have our volatility 25. I'm expecting this to drop. If it doesn't, we're just going to close out. Maybe I'm expecting it to drop somewhere here before going back up. That's if it's still bullish. So I'm just going to watch and see how this goes, and we'll see what to do based on that. Then we have our 100. Of course, 100 has been, we're just protecting profit now. So we have a sell stop. 100 has been flying, Then which other one are we on? We're already on this. Perfect. 75 one is being, we have a sell stop as well. Because I think it's going to go up, but if it doesn't, then we're going to close out our buy. But, it is what it is. 75, then 25. I think that's all for now. So we're going to watch. So 101 is speaking us well, it's going well. Then let's do the last one. The last one is the V100. V100, let's look at the daily time frame. Daily time frame. Let's look at the time frame. Okay. This is obviously very, very bearish, and can drop up to this zone. So now we're not looking for anything buy at all. Any buy is a retracement. Okay, any buy is a retracement. So now let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So now let's get an entry. Now we don't swing on this, just take your money and get out. Take your money and get out. protect your profit, and you are out. So 5 minutes, let's go to the 1 minute. Interesting. All right, so we'll wait for price to break this last low. If it breaks this last low, then we can take a sell. We're going to take a sell on this. So let's see how the other trades are doing. Oh, no. Now, this can be a deception. Now, if this doesn't work out, that's fine. Of course, you have to just follow your heart. My heart is telling me this is a manipulation to getting people to buy. After that, they're still going to drop it. So I'm going to wait until it crosses 1949.522. I'm not moving an inch. So I'm going to wait for that zone to be crossed. Because now, the way I look at this manipulation, or the way I look at this move, is like a manipulated move. You know, everybody, you see the candlestick going up, you see you think it's a buy, and then all of a sudden it drops. So let's watch how this goes. But if it crosses, of course, trade what you see, not what you think. So watching the market, we're going to trade what we see. If it crosses that, my final zone limit, where my stop loss should be going. Right now, I'm using the manual stop loss, okay? So I didn't put any stop loss. Then I'm going to close off the sell. But I believe that this thing is going to drop, still going to drop. But if they want to take it up, then guys, we're ready. We close it, and then we take another entry for a buy, and that's how it's going to run. All right, so this one has hit back the sell, but I want to see it break. If it breaks this zone, I'm going to sell along. I'm going to close it. If it breaks somewhere here, I need it to break like here for me to sell. Otherwise, it's fishy. Anyway, it's edged, so I have a buy and a sell. So I just want to watch and see how it goes. So V50 is going well. V100 1S, sorry, yeah, V100 1S is going well. Then we just have this to deal with. We're going to take a trade on V100. So I'll wait for the setup to play out. Wait for it to play out, and then we'll take the trade. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pairs currently we're looking at feeding from today. The goal is not to be right. The goal is to make money. That's it. So we're just going to, since this one, because I was expecting it's going to sell back, because let's see the daily time frame for this. Let's see for kind of okay. All right, so if price crosses this, then we're automatically bullish. Maybe we'll be expecting price to hit this particular area. So what we're going to do is just we're just going to use trading. We're just going to adjust our stop loss and adjust our stop loss and remove the sell stop. Let's do that. Okay, got that right now. Let's see. Time frame 5 minutes. Okay. That's fed us enough. This is all the way here. So when the market reverses, that's fine. Now this 751 is something I really want us to get today. A one lot on this would make some good money today. So we're just gonna see the direction this is headed. Right now it looks like both ways. So let's let me check out let's see first the daily. Let's start with the daily. Let's remove all this templates. Let's do that daily templates. Okay, on daily, let's see this way. I want to see where price bounced off from. That's where price bounced off from. Okay, here, more significant. All right. Okay, So, price bounce up from there. Okay, now let's see the 4-hour. Let's see the 4-hour time frame. Okay, let's see the 1-hour time frame. Higher high, higher low. So we get a higher high right now. We'll close the sell off. We're gonna buy this pair. So let's wait for the retracement, and then, of course, if price breaks this last low, we know we're coming down. So we're just gonna watch that. Let's be patient on that. Watch that to see how that goes. Our entry time frame. Okay, I have all right. So this is the candle, the bird, this. Anyway, price comes here. Price comes here. Okay, so I think this is bullish. This is bullish. I'm just waiting for one more confirmation for us to take this particular trade. One more confirmation. Once we get that, we'll leave our buy and close the sell off. Okay. So this, we're still looking at this. So far, these two have not played out well. So guys, 100, volatility 100, we sell, put a stop here. 11110.33, sell. One 1110.33. Okay. 1110.33. Okay, so we'll leave stop loss there. Okay, so we have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so this is doing well. Some 5 is doing well. This, I'm expecting this to drop somewhere here, around here before buying. But if it goes up, like I said, we're going to change our bias on that. So since it's a live trade session, I'm just going to watch to see how it goes. So yeah, so let's wait for this. Let's wait for this to give us our final confirmation and know which to close. All right, so that's it for today. So we're going to send updates to the group after the 25. We're going to take a trade on 25. It's bullish, but I want to see how far the retracement is going to go. All right, so that's it for today's call, live trading. So for those of you that were on the call, you should have caught some money on 75 to 75. Anyway, we'll send that to the group already. So ensure you are following us. Ensure you are following, ensure you're part of what we're doing. Easy to locate us. If you're watching this from YouTube, go to Beav Money. This is our channel. Go to Beav Money. Go to Beav Money on Telegram. Go to Beav Money and you'll find us there. Okay. All right. So see you next live trade session. Stay blessed.